welcome to another video, but this time is MVSD play. Woohoo! Episode. No more episode right now. Let's play this MVSD for the first time. Joke. You see that? I have that for free. Lang guys, let's check more here. Yan. Let's go. Let's start. Uy. Tara na. Let's go. So, if you know guys, I have friend named Reaper because he is actually my brother. Woohoo! Let's start this, bro. Prototype guys. So this time I don't want to face reveal because I don't know why. I'm too cheap for that. I'm so noob, bro. My device is so laggy. Oh, my friend got paktay. Tapos ang laban. Ganun po siya kagaling. Kita nyo yun? Pag nakalaban kayo niyan, kahit PC mo, computer yan, kahit na pro yan, matatalo pa yan. Dahil ang totoo, pogi siya. Yun lang. Joke lang. Magaling lang po siya. Pro player. Siyempre. Lala niya naman ako, the best. Diba, namatay nga lang. Hindi po siya kalakas nagpapakamatay. Yan. Wala pa akong napatay, oh. Wala pa akong napatay-patay. Lakas nyo, ah. Lakas nyo mga sara. Lakas mga sara na mga kalaban, guys. Kala mo, sino? Kala mo, leaderboard, eh. Visible. Ah, patay na ka dan? Shit. It's so good at aiming, bro. I think it's mobile player and PC. Paktay! Tapos makalaban ng isang mobile player. Natatalo. Kung napapanood mo man to, magpaalam ka na sa'yo. Joke lang. I'm not that, guys. I'm not like that movement, bro. Oh, let me do this. My God. I got 600. Dan. Meron ko 600. 10 times ke. Yan ni Dan. Hey, Reaper, right here. Oh my God. Maghintay tayo ng spot, Reaper. Ay, sayang. Wala. Ito ang manakit. So, guys, I'm actually Filipino, but I'm still Englisher. But now, let's move to Tagalog. Okay, here. Dito, Reaper. Hoy, lumaban naman kayo. 1v1 na dyan ba? 2v2. Wala naman. 2v2 naman. PC naman kayo. Dami ng PC. Kami, wala. Galingan nyo naman. Oh, shish. Another shotty. Ay, joke lang. Another PC. Nung unang round, PC, 2 versus mobile. Ngayon, PC versus mobile ulit. Ang basic nyo naman. Wala bang malalakas dyan? Pero, I'm kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. Huwag ka naman wala sa pinagsasabi ko. My friend gonna kill us. It's so nice at aiming. Me, like a noob. Wala akong mapatay dito eh. Kahit isa. Naglalag yung kalaban, di ko mapatay yan. Naglib na yung kasama. Sobrang hina kasi naman sa kanyang kasama. Kaya, yun, di nakapagtiis. Nagkamali ng napindot, patay, matapos binaril. Wow, that was so short range. And he get died. That was so easy. Joke lang. That was really hard. I'm not talking, but that was really hard. If you know, if you want to fight us, you will gonna win. I'm noob and my Reaper friend, it's good. It's only carrying me. Oh, look, he's the one get kill. Me, I don't have any kill. Wait, umay naman yan. Here, Reaper. Dito, Reaper. Reaper. Yan, sayang. Yan. Bone versus Bone. This is the revenge of Sengoku. Central? Wah.
Lalo.
Zen.
Bravo!
Actually, ang totoo guys, yung pinatawag ko ng Reaper, kapatid ko. Vlogger din, 400 subscribe. Please guys, help me get 1K sub for more vlog. But I'm actually always vlogging because my favorite job is actually vlogger. Yes, that is me. I really want job. It's so cool. You only editing, vlogging, everything. Sikat, tulad ni Fernando Po Jr. Joke lang. Wala. Pero ang totoo guys, mahirap din mag-edit. Sa sobrang hirap guys, kailangan mo ng PC at taga-puyat. Tulad nila. Nung napapanood naman ko si Donerdona, ay meron siyang editor. Ako, wala. Pasensya na kayo sa ingay guys. Sa kabilang bayon. Maring Montelo. Merario Reaper. Amir. Dito. Kenny. Nice. There's so many players right now. Haha, got joke. Okay, good. Oh, that was nice. Another mobile players, but I think all of them is pro because but galing lang. Ba't ka mag-live? Diba, kita naman, no? Diba? Kaya kamo sambot na lang eh. This is really nice. If you guys want me to put reveal, just only get 200 subscribers. Ay, Joe. Only 200 likes. Get 200 likes for my face reveal. Don't worry guys, but I already hate face reveal to my TikTok account. But only in the short of YouTube you can see my face reveal. I already TikTok guys. And that was his ganggang kinalad ka dan QC ka mayari neto 1103 ka abiso tamo ginawa mo preso. Yung ganggang guys. Patay! Matapos natamaan ng isang bala at nakarating ng maaga. Oh no. Oh! Reaper gonna rush us. That was so weird. He got win. So guys, my team get win again. Here, Reaper. Then, Kenny. Come here. Now it's so aggressive because every my vlog has using voice Okay. No. Mo, ano ba yun? Dan, gato tana mo.
Bakit?
Italundong. Ay, kaya ako tuon. Kaya nila ako mudan, kaya tama sala. Palamoktan. Yung mga. Ay, naka. Bye. What? That was so fast. Kaya nila ako. Guys, I'm here. Actually, I'll show my setup. But but
Bro!
also not set up because only my bed. I actually don't hate setup. Then guys, this is the voice of my brother. Dan, sumabi ka Dan. That is the voice ang aking kapatid, ang voice niya yun. Nakinig nyo na guys. Siyempre, oo. Naks nun. Ay, naka. Oh, that was really fast, bro. Bigyan you. Why you killing us? Why you don't give me it? Let me get what the. Let's go another week. So guys, I'm going to buy this one, this ball, this lot. Let's go. 2v2. There's so many players want to join this team because they think this team is going to crazy. Madapa, buhay mo sinasagad na gani kasi wala niya.
Kupa!
Sila.
Central!
Gidan, mauna ka. Oh my naman yan. Reaper, ang lakas. Patay kalabaw.
Patay ng bobo.
Let's go this way, guys. My God. Oh, Reaper, so nice for aiming. That's really weird, bro. All the oh my God, their mobile player so nice. Oh my God, please. Oh my God, sa akin yun, Reaper. Ano naman kinuha, Reaper? Ako na eh. Sa akin na yan, Reaper. Uy! Let's gonna be level 8, guys. Another round. It's gonna be level 9. Reaper, come here. Oy! Reaper! Ay, AFKing. Makbakang yan. Reaper, may mayroong nala Reaper. Bilisan mo na, Ken. Let's check
The
this.
gun broke my jaw.
Let's do this. Kenny!
You know what?
Oh, so many bacon. Like, I'm too laggy. 1, 2.
I think I lag.
Oh, so many players. Oh my God. My friend got lag. This is really bad. Let's wait them. But I need last more round. There's so many players, but
No,
bugging.
what the fuck? Boom.
They budding all of them has budding, but wait for Reaper because Reaper is my best.
Damage yun ako.
best teammate. Ay, let me go there. Like this. I'm Spider-Man. Oh my god. May naman yan, burat.
Ha?
Ay, I'm really Spider-Man. I'm the really Spider-Man. Oh, I got right here. But I saw some player got inside there.
Join me.
Wait lang.
Wala mag-join.
Lang.
Wait lang. Sure ka ba, Alay?
Eh, may apokyat ko. Ah, cheater yapin ka doon. Lalaki ko din. Ating lahat. Join now. So, wait us, guys, because I'm gonna join them. Whew. I'll show my setup before another day. Yes. Hey, Reaper, si Ramir. Let's go there. 1v1. Gani. Dito ka na, Reaper. Reaper yan. Hey, Reaper! Uy. Saan mo? Ano yan? Na.
Muna. Buto
Na.
ako.
Wait, Reaper settings PC.
Ang busy. Cellphone ko ako.
Is device. Settings device. Let's do this. Rock and roll. Let's fight with them. Oh! Ayun mo may wala yung win streak na.
Ano mayo?
Reaper, not this respawn. They have
Snoopy!
bruh. The noob want to team, but sorry noob. You need to gonna be lose before you can join.
Central. Malwalas. Karen, Ariel.
Let's go guys, let's start this. Let me win this because I really need some level up. Hey Reaper, can you give me? No! Reaper's pro player. Oh my god. I got in the... What the hell? I can kill them. My aim! I'm gonna kill off. What the fuck? Nang inang patay ako. Sadyang mahina si Reaper. Ay, si Reaper. Si Sabtus and Gogel. Guys, add me in the Roblox. Name. Kelmaki54. But that is not my real name because my real name is hashtag. Only Roblox name I use. Not that name. Yes, that is my Roblox name. What's up? Oh, that was really fun. Look, I'm level 9 right now. And I can get my reward. This reward. Oh, not bad. That's another more. I need to level up 5 because actually guys,
Bro, let's go!
I want to get this one. Wait long. This one. The Celestial.
Knife me.
Makota pa.
Bakit?
Don't! Ay, nagpili. Tang nang yan. Tanga. Tara. Ready?
Anak puta.
The fuck? Yeah, I can get that. I actually want the red color. Joke lang. I actually the black because my favorite color is black.
Purple.
The
LOL. Your favorite color is
Actually,
purple.
my favorite color is reveal is actually
is not good.
Yeah.
For
Red.
you.
Oh, what?
My favorite color is lagi me.
Oh, another more.
Device versus computer. Bro, Ridge!
Why Ridge? This is really bad, bro.
It's cool, bro.
Bad trip this is.
Walas mo.
Walas. May walas la. Kaya mo nang walas la. Bobo ka. Ganda. This is so weird.
Bro, just stay. Just stay. Stay.
Oh, it's right here.
Stay.
Why? I'm not bitch, bro. I got died.
Bobo. Ako lang kaya stay. Okay?
Okay, Elon will stay, guys. Yes, he said he'll stay. Oh, bro. Damn.
Na ayun.
Let me check. Let's more game. Let's. Oh, no more. No, need more tools. Uy, Dan! Dan, Jenny! Repair, come here. Ina. Kaya be, da?
Tara na!
Kala ko sa'yo, da, kaya be. Prototype.
Central.
Mas malawas yung prototype.
Ew.
Tama.
Tangan.
Tulangan ka ako. Labang ulangan. Oh! All of them has wanna fight. There's so many players. I can fight all of them. Where's it? Tara naman.
Sit down, bitch! Bang!
Demo.
Na-ayun.
Talaga. Noob.
Mayo po.
Napaka-noob ko naman talaga. Oh! Cheater! Mamamatay ako. Galing na.
Na-ayun.
Galing na Migo. Kuan. Akin yan. Mamamatay ang mamamatay.
Wala ko pala kayo eh. Wala na kasi yung one yung boot na eh.
Let me kill last. Only one I can kill. Hindi mo pa kaya.
Yes, sir.
I'm too laggy.
Yan mayo ko pang
Let me use my old knife and my gold instead of them. Let's go, another game pass. Dog lang. Come here, Reaper. Done.
Bo.
Sige ka, bumayag ka. Nanggal ko pa sa green skin.
Abed. Dako kaya
Oh, I don't have any skin right now. Wait, Reaper. Ayaw magkay. Nakasasalim. Ayaw, salong ko lang. Joke lang. Sali ko mong kay. Ng bonus splat.
Bonus slot.
Bonus slot pala. Adwa ko power.
Makalag na kitang bubble gum mo.
Diba? Sa aligong. Kaya, weapon buff. Tapos, kaya, nasa ta? Sprint. Kita lang sa lang.
Friend, saluan ko, rentang ability. VIP, easy.
No more player. Please. Come. Oh, another two. Why 1v1? Just come here. All of them want to 1v1. Why? Come here.
Bro, stop yapping.
They don't want to fight us. Because all of them scared. Scared to try.
Why won't you talk no more? Hello.
Sudden gatang classic.
Na?
Classic.
What classic ta?
Ayan na. Alina. Nakakalaban tao nandun ba? Ayaw kasangga.
Kamulala.
Ang galing yan.
Yata po
May nyabot. Ay, magaling nga dan, Shaira. Amo na natin niya agad sniper.
Darakal, tubi ito. Pwede.
Di, Kenny oh. Kenny, dyan ka mo, Kenny. Ayan oh, adwa pa.
Okay.
Yung classic yan, pin. Oh, saan eh?
This is the type.
Magkay ko, sword. Ay, sword. Knife. Ay, knife. Gun. Ah, yan pa rin? Adwala pa rin. Kalaw sa amin itong nemonta. Mamili kayo. Ilang kilapek. Yaw na mitagon. LOL! I think we're defeat. I think we're round lost. O diba? Eh kayo pa yung mati. Masambot na mo. Wala mang pinagyo. Tang inang lag. Kaming really lagi. Hakbaon yan. No! Metong na mo, masambot ta pa.
Mula rito.
Ang galang mo. Matagal ta magaling. Buset. Adwa ko. Ah, metong tapa man yung bot. Ayun ako! Galing da. Wala, masambot. Ba't mamamatay ka pa na eh? Maka-knife ka?
Ha?
Maka-knife ka nga? Oh, tao! Gano'n tsaka knife. Ito pala. Oh, gano'n tsaka knife. Let's go, my friend. Let's come back. We're getting to come back. Woohoo! Another win rate. This time. That was so many comebacks. Let's win this. Let's win this, guys. So nice move. Let's go. Last more. Another round. I'm here, Reaper. Kenny, lawan kayo. Awan na di na mo rin di. So, Kenny di. Kenny ka. Adi. Duality na lang parehas. Kenny dan. Tingnan ko. Subat ko ito. Ginagdagan ko lang natin. Tara, Barbie.
Wala, buri kita siya. Nakbakal.
Narito si.
Si. Pamamili ka.
Ha?
Pamamili ka.
Wala luman. Wala yun ito. Itang classic. Wala na eh.
The cocaine is not pati the best person eh. The cocaine is... Ito na si Mag 4B4! Ay, 3B3!
Ito nakalag na.
Baka tawat niya yung kami. Kenny! Bilis!
Ako rin.
Kenny! Kenny kabila! Bumama! Ridge! O kaya ay
Naril na yan.
Wala! Kami pa yung power ko. Easy win.
Out na itong nga kalaban. Naglibiyagad tang na ito. Tama laban. Yan, magbibigili yan. Laban. They're all around me, circling like vultures. They think I'm crazy, but they don't know the feelings. Mayday, mayday, the ship is slowly sinking. They think I'm crazy, but they don't know the feeling. They're all around me, circling like vultures. And they wanna break me. Wash away my colors. Wash away my colors. Take me hide everything. Oh, you make everything. I'll sing. No, I'll sing. Take me hide and ill. And I'll sing, oh, you make everything okay, okay. We are one and the same, oh, you take all of the pain away. Save me if I become my demon. Okay lang.
Malagi ba ang wala akong bigaman? Makaisa ba ang wala akong bigaman?
So, bye guys. See you next video. I'll upload it bukas.
Alam po kami.